They look great. Hey, it's Nadine from Chicago. So I want to do a quick review on this product that I just got in the mail, which is like super amazing. It's called instasmile. I first found out about instasmile on Facebook. One of my friends just bought the product. They fell in love with it, so I decided to try it out. I ended up getting the top and the bottom in the whitest shade. So this is what the top ones look like. They're very thin and they seem very durable, and they fit my teeth very well. I've only had these for a few days and I love them, honestly. They're great. They make a huge difference with my smile. I was in a car accident a few years ago and I had this one discolored tooth that bothers the heck out of me. And no matter how many different teeth whiteners I tried, it just isn't white anymore. It's not that bad, but I mainly just got it to whiten my teeth, and as you can tell, there's a major difference in color. When I put them on, I almost wanted to cry. The fact that it was so inexpensive was the good part about it, because getting veneers is really expensive. And I'm really happy with the product. I mean, instasmile has definitely changed a lot of things for me. They look great. I would definitely recommend this to anyone.